I know what it is, y'all know what it do. I'm out here grinding. How about you? What's up, guys? Right now I'm heading towards my haircut appointment. Y'all seen my last video, me teaching you how to moisturize your waves and how to do it. Like after watching the style, go ahead and watch it. But it's since a month and 4 weeks, so that'd be like 9 weeks that I've been woofing. The top, I'm not gonna cut it, but I'm running late right now. My appointment was at 1. Guess what time it is right now, bro? And I was 1:01. I'm usually on time, bro. I'm usually on time or like way early, but today I got there late. Well, I'm getting there late. But this is how the hair is looking right now. I shouldn't be showing you guys and driving at the same time, but we running late, bro. I'll give it that. That's how we looking right now, bro. Don't try this, bro. Don't do a wave check and drive at the same time. Yeah, we're almost there. We're like about 5 more minutes. If you want to shine, bro, you gotta grind. Quit making these excuses and make the time, bro. Most of y'all say y'all gonna do something, but y'all don't do it. I really gotta get out your comfort zone and go ahead and do what you gotta do to do what you wanna do. You gotta move different if you wanna be different. You can't be moving like everyone else and expect different results. I sound kinda sick, bro, but I ain't sick. It's just some allergies that in Houston. It's been bad for like a couple of weeks, but right now they barely hitting me, bro. Right at the corner, bro. It's 107. Hopefully my barber don't get mad at me. I've only been cutting it with him for like 8 years. So we good. The final look before we get this haircut, bro. Oh, that was my neck. I mean, y'all see it. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. All right, bro, we just finished the fade, and all I'm gonna tell you right now, my barber went off. He did his thing. But right now I'm heading home. I got the dewy on because I'm not gonna show y'all. Y'all think y'all gonna get a sneak peek? Nah, bro. Y'all gonna have to wait. Y'all gonna have to wait, bro. We on the way home, but once we get home, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the masterpiece my barber did. Shout out to my barber, bro. Man, cold with the clippers. Man, quit all that talking, bro. We about to get home and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you what really went down. We just got back to the crib and my barber went off with this fade, bro. Like I said, I haven't got a haircut in a while, but I don't know y'all tired of hearing that. Y'all just want to see the haircut, how it ended up. But let's go ahead and check it out. Man, I've been waiting for this moment. I've been waiting for this moment, bro. Let's see the unwrap. I'm gonna give y'all a little unwrap. Just be patient, be patient. And we're gonna get to a brush session later. An updated cut from a wolf. It's like 10 weeks since I got my last haircut. Now looking all fresh. Looking all fresh, bro. Like, by the time it was that time for that cut, I didn't trim anything from the top. I just told him a low taper. That's it. I told him not to touch the top, line me up and all that. I'm gonna cut the top next time I get a haircut, was probably like in, I don't know, bro, maybe 2 weeks, maybe in a week, I don't know. But shout out my barber, he really did his thing. He really did it. He really did this, bro. Comment down below what y'all want to see. I can show y'all my collection of brushes. If y'all want the best silkiest DURAGS we all got right there, go ahead and click the link in my description. Use the code WavyJ15 for 15% off that discount code, bro. I'm really hooking you guys up with that good discount. Shoot, I wish I had a discount like that if I didn't partner up with them. Like, bro, look at all them silkies. We got like 30 silkies, and they really hooked your boy up. And they also got brushes there. So go ahead and show love to them, because they're really supporting your boy. So you guys really rock with me, go ahead and rock with them, you know? There's a mutual thing. And go follow my Instagram at WavyJ1, the same as YouTube. And also go ahead and follow my TikTok, bro. I just got banned for like posting a video that was literally a Washington style, like me reacting to it. And TikTok got mad and banned it. And they gave me like a shadow ban, I think. Something like that, because they say I can't post till today, like at 7 p.m, bro. Like, what? Literally be worse things on TikTok than what I'm posting, bro. If you want to shine, you gotta grind. Quit making excuses and make the time. If you want to go do something, bro, go ahead and do it. Quit contemplating or whatever, however you say it, and just go do it, bro. Or if you want to start your YouTube channel, go ahead and do it, bro. People be like, oh, nah, but I don't got a camera, this and that, bro. I'm literally recording off my phone right now, in case y'all noticed or not. But even when I started, bro, I started off with a iPhone 6 recording. And then as I upgraded my phones, I kept recording on my phone. But I need to invest into a camera. That's what I need to invest in. Click the link in my bio if you want a silky. Use code WavyJ15. I'm not gonna stop stressing it, because you guys are missing out on some silky drippy do-rags that are available at Taylor Boutique. If you guys are new and want to be part of the crew, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because it's getting real wavy in the gravy. Now let's hop in this baby and get real crazy, bro, because we're going crazy all 2020 and we ain't stopping. That's all I'm gonna say, bro. Just go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment what you guys think about the cut. What y'all rate this cut? Let me know what y'all rate it, bro. Like, seriously, what y'all rate it? And FYI for the waivers, don't wash your hair as soon as you just finish cutting your hair, bro. You can take a shower, but just don't wash your hair, because I just gonna mess everything up. And like I said, it's recommended that you do a washing style like 2 days before you get your hair cut. Your hair is gonna be too greasy, bro, and I know your barber don't want to be touching all that grease. Let's see how it look going down. I'm gonna just comb it up. But that's it, bro. It's your boy Wavy J, and I hope everybody's having a blessed day. But we out.